Alright guys, so I'm going to keep this video short and sweet and kind of give you the background of why I'm here. So for the longest, I wanted to connect my HoloLens, my Lark, what is it, M2S I believe, connect these puppies into my RC2 for my DJI Mini 4 Pro drone. Long story short, I tried multiple times, couldn't get it to record. I thought you just actually record a video and somehow you can speak into it. Long story short, looking on YouTube, found different videos and realized you have to screen record. So if anyone's gotten this far to where you were able to do the screen recording and you have some type of, I guess, wireless microphones, right? And in this case, I have the HoloLens. So if you get this far and then now you're like, where are my screen recordings? This video is going to cover where to find it, how to transfer it without using the app, because I've had all these complications trying to make this happen. So I took some screenshots on this, transferred it over, did all the hard work, screenshots on my phone. I'll show you guys the process in about under 2 minutes. But yeah, thank you guys. All right, real briefly, you're on the remote. There's two ways to access it, to physically see it. And if you see here, you got the screen recording, physically recording it right now. That's how I made this video. So you got your album, you click it there. I'm already there in the movies album. So I just click the albums to see all of them, and you'll see I clicked it real fast. And you can go to phone album, you can go to the drone, right? This is where you see all your videos. So I just click the movies, I could see them. Now it's like, okay, it's as simple as share, right? Now for some reason, I got the app. It's just a pain in the ass to make this work. I just couldn't make it happen, so I figured there's got to be another way. So I messed with it a few times, and I came across another way to access the actual file. So you just pull your screen down, you go to your settings, top right corner. I think there's a screen recording, a little delay. Click on your storage, and it's usually in the music audio, but I think you can click photos and videos because it's going to be the same because I don't have no audio. And when you do that, now you're in the files. You see I have no audios. I go over here and you can check your recents or you can check your videos. But what I did is, because it's a recent thing I just did, what you do is you hold it for a second and a half. If you have your phone already connected to it, it's not that hard. I can walk you through that too. If you go ahead and hit that share button on the right corner, and once you click that button, it's gonna say sending to screen, right? And that same thing happens once you get the notification on your phone, and then it'll pop up on the top, you're receiving the screen. This is for Androids, just so people know. If you have an Android, this will work, and you'll see it downloading. Then another screenshot, screensaver, and you'll see the file's been received. So you just click your file. There it is. I have all these different players, but you click on that, and then bam, you have your video.